What's up, Colorado Realtors? I'm Scott Peterson, and here we are back stateside in the beautiful La Junta, Colorado. We had to get back to Colorado after all the international travel. I'm here in La Junta at the Bent Fort, and old Bent Fort here, or excuse me, Bent's old fort here, was an adobe trading post on the Santa Fe Trail where traders, trappers, travelers, and the Cheyenne and Arapaho tribes all came together on peaceful terms. Imagine that. All right, so on this edition of Legal Bites Realtors, I'm going to talk to you. It's going to be a short edition, but I'm going to clarify something that's come up here recently. This summer, it kind of percolated up, created a little bit of confusion, or maybe a lot. I got a ton of calls on this. This is related to VA loans, which we have a number of here in Colorado, particularly, in kind of north of us here in La Junta and Colorado Springs, kind of Pueblo area. A lot of VA loans. And one of the things that came up is that in a VA loan in Colorado now, a termite inspection is going to be required, not just as it used to be in the case where there's some evidence of termite infestation, where the appraiser or inspector might identify some evidence of termite problems, where they would then require one. It's now going to be required as a matter of course in a number of counties in Colorado, and that is going to be the case if there's going to be a VA loan application and they're going to do a VA appraisal. What they're going to require is a termite inspection in a number of different places. And you can click on the link below here, and I'll take you off to a website far away, actually the VA website, that describes the specific areas where a termite inspection is going to be required as a matter of course in Colorado. A few months ago, they released something that was going to be required everywhere, mandated everywhere on the VA website, and it was kind of a mistake. This was back in June, and then the VA ended up issuing a circular or some guidance to underwriters, basically saying, no, it's going to be in just these specific areas. But I got to be honest with you, it's a number of areas. Probably in terms of population in Colorado, most of the areas in the state, if you're going to get a VA loan, are going to require a termite inspection as a matter of course. Now, no longer just in the event that an inspector or an appraiser might see some evidence of termite infestation, where they would then require it as a lender property requirement. It's going to be required automatically. And that was a curveball that took some people by surprise. Got a ton of calls about this over the course of the summer, and I just wanted to kind of qualify what was going on. But again, your resource below, that link below, is going to take you to the website for the VA that'll show you the exact counties and specific areas where it's always going to be required as a matter of course. Hopefully that's helpful. We'll see you again on the next edition of Legal Bites. And guys, we can't resist. Monica and I are having such a good time with this international travel stuff. We're going back international, and this is a good one. We're headed to Munich for Oktoberfest. It's going to be fun for us. It'll be fun for you too. We'll see you on the next edition of Legal Bites. Realtors, Rocky Ford is just up the road, and as you guys know, they're known for their cantaloupes. I just got a beautiful cantaloupe. I can't resist. I'm going to dive right in. Aren't they supposed to be sweet? Ugh. Anybody got some ranch? Ranch around here? A little bowl of ranch?